Tear it open, Lily.
It was like Piper would start every time. He was up until 11 o'clock. He wouldn't go anywhere, you know? He just started.
Tear it open. Okay, well, let's talk about Lily's present right now. Lily, what do you got? Tear it open. You get a present. Oh, what is it? Turn it over. Look at it. Oh, what could that be for? Are those baby bottles?
Were you dollies?
Wow. Let's open the other one, Mommy. So I think the other one might go with that one.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness. Take it over there. Go open it on the couch. It's a big one, huh? What could it be, Lil?
Find the start. Maybe here. Yeah.
Tear it open. Tear it open. Frank, go lay down. Go lay down. On your bed. What do you got, Lily? Oh my goodness. What is it? What do you got? Little mommy? What could it be?
We're taking our time.
All right. Oh my goodness.
It's a dolly. Wow.
Is that a dolly for you, Lily?
Wow.
Are you excited?
That's sweet.
You get the milk? You get my dolly out?
Yes.
She's going to get your dolly out. They're usually, Mom.
What? I get it.
Oh my goodness, what a pretty dolly.
Yeah, Mommy needs the scissors.
Lily, I like your dolly. It's Mommy's got him.
I got him.
You got some milk? You got my baby out?
Oh,
I
look
got your
at
baby
that.
out.
Oh, how pretty.
Aww.
Oh.
Thanks. Look in the baby bottle.
Look, Lily.
It's a baby bottle.
Feed your baby. Oh, how nice.
Wow.
Lily. We should open up.
Sweet.
Here, you want to feed it with the big bottles? Okay. Okay, get one. You think she'll drink it? Let's see.
Look, there's some orange juice and some milk.
Look, she's drinking it, Lily. Look at the bottle.
It's all gone.
Oh my
Drink it all.
goodness. Is she drinking it? Milk now? You want to feed her some milk? Watch it. Go away. Look at that milk. She's drinking it. Right. Okay. Can you say thank you? Say thank you, Uncle Walt. Can you say thank you? Thank you, Aunt Faith. Say thank you. All right. Can you wave bye?